everyone. So today I'm going to be showing you guys a couple of hairstyles that I like to do on second day hair. They're quick and easy, and yeah, just keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe down below. So for this first look, I'm going to be doing a high messy bun look, but instead I'm just going to add some messy bangs to it. So first I'm going to grab my hair as if I was going to do a high ponytail. I'm going to wrap the elastic around once while leaving some of the strands of my hair out. Then I'm going to wrap it around a second time. Once I'm done wrapping it around the second time, I kind of just tug at the ends and I bring them to the front. Normally I'll play around with the bangs for a few minutes until I get the desired look I want. I usually prefer the loose curls kind of more in my face and more to the middle. So as you see, I'm going to begin fixing that because I don't really like it when they kind of spread to the side. This is a quick and easy look. All you have to do is basically put a bun in your hair. So for the second hairstyle, we're going to do almost a typical half up, half down, except it's going to include a messy bun. So basically, we're just going to take strands of our hair from the front and we're going to separate that from the rest of the hair. Once you separated it, you're just going to push the rest of your hair to the back. Then you're just going to bring the front pieces up together. Once you have all the hair that you need, you're going to take your elastic and almost wrap it around once, similar to the messy bun. Then you're going to wrap it around a second time and you're just going to start playing with it until you get the desired look you want. I like mine a little loose and a little more messy. Once you're done doing that, you just bring the rest of your hair to the front and yeah, there it is. This is also a quick way you can spice up the half up, half down hairstyle. So number 3 is going to be a low messy bun. So we're going to start off by grabbing 2 pieces of hair from the front. I normally like a thinner strand of hair, so as you can see I'm just going to break apart that one curl to get kind of a thinner piece of hair. Then I'm just going to pull the rest of the hair back, and like we've done before in the other hairstyles, we're going to be doing a messy bun. Instead, this time we're going to be doing it near the nape of our neck rather than the top of our head. So again, you're just going to pull the elastic band around once, but not completely, and then do it the second time so you have a bit of strands of hair kind of popping out of the bun. I kind of like it like that because I think it's kind of like a cute messy look. Then basically you just have the curls at the front of your head. This looks really cute with hoops, and if you want you could also curl these pieces so they look a little nicer, but yeah. So for this fourth hairstyle, we're just gonna be doing a high ponytail, like a curly high ponytail. Basically, I think it adds texture to your hair, and when you're running late or you have an 8 a.m., I think it's a quick way to style your curly hair, and it's really cute, and I think it just adds some playfulness. So basically, I'm just gonna wrap a hair tie around it twice, but sometimes I do it 3 times, depending on, I don't know, depending on my hair. And then, yeah, I just bring it to the side, and that's basically all I do. For this fifth look, I'm gonna be doing kind of like a slicked back, medium, like up ponytail, so it's not completely at the bottom of your neck, but it's also not a high ponytail. Basically, I'm just going to start grabbing at my hair until I basically grab it all. And then I'm basically just going to make a ponytail with all the hair while kind of brushing my hair back a little bit with my fingers. As you can see, I didn't really notice the bump on my head, but obviously you want to try to avoid having bumps because it's a slicked back look. So yeah, then I'm just going to put the ponytail in my hair and I'm just going to tug at it so it's really tight on my head. Normally it wouldn't have the little bump. Oh yeah, there it is. I noticed it. And then I'm just going to pull down some hair so it doesn't look as well put together, because I kind of like the whole messy look for me. So yeah. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you subscribe and like this video. If you have any other video ideas, just let me know down below. I appreciate you all.